Hey guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about Lesson 7, Introduction of Canva. So, what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content. It is available on web and mobile. To be brief, Canva helps us to create beautiful designs in an easy way. So what can Canva help us design? There are so many types of things we can choose to design in Canva, such as presentation, poster, animated social media, Instagram post, video, logo, Facebook post, and so on. As you can see on this picture, the blue circle with white words is Canva's logo, and its slogan is Empowering the World to Design. Now, let's talk about how to enter Canva. First, double left-click the link of Canva's logo. I will put the link of Canva's website down the information column. After that, you will see the user interface on Canva, and it looks like this. Second, you have to sign up an account in Canva. There are two ways to get started with Canva. You can either sign up with Google or FB, and in today's lesson, we will sign up with Google. You can use the skills you learned in the fourth video in Google of the PassByValue's YouTube channel, and I will put the link on the upper right of this video. Now, let's see how it works through this video. First, left-click Sign up with Google. Next, type the email you want to sign up with. After all the steps, you will enter Canva successfully. Third, left-click Presentation, and then you will see this user interface. Fourth, search the template you want. Let's see this video. For example, if I want to find a template with the topic of food, so I type FOOD to search for my template. And as you can see down here, there are plenty of templates you can choose to use. And then choose the template you want and left-click it. Now, let's see the sample video. I want to use this one as my template, so I left-click it, and now, here is my template. Now, let's learn how to use the template. There are actually two methods. Method 1, you can choose to apply all 15 pictures. Now, let's see the video. I left-click Apply All Pages, and my template will be on the right side. Method 2, you can choose the designs you want instead of every pages. Let's see how it works through this video. I left-clicked the pictures I want, and I will add them to my pages. Now, let's learn how to design the template we choose. You can choose whether to keep the original template's materials or not. If you don't want it, you can delete it. The text in the text boxes can be changed or deleted as well. For example, I would like my topic to be My Homemade Cookies, so I delete the original title and then type the topic I want. The text boxes can be moved as well. You can also add pages, delete pages, copy pages, or add notes as well. Now, let's learn how to download our design. After you finish your design, click the icon which means download on the upper right. Choose the format you want to download as, then left-click it, and then click download. And wait for it. That is how we download our design. Now, let's learn how to put our designs to our PowerPoint. The function you will use is Insert Pictures. If you are not familiar with this function, click the link on the upper right. Now, let's see how it works through this video. Click Insert, and then click Pictures. Click List Device, and then choose the picture you want to insert. Then click Insert. And now, you can see your designs over here as a picture. Now, it's your turn to practice. See you next time. Bye.